Welcome to the Tropicana. Let's go. We're here at the Tropicana. Alright, Tropicana. Is all these? Is that per Trop? Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang, they got a lot of rooms here. Here we go. We haven't done a video in a minute. We've done the scooter ride. We're doing a casino walk here tonight. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's kind of cool.
Pretty fancy in here, right? Alright.
Apparently it has a air.
I think this is conference rooms.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, conference rooms are that way.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna make all those?
Sure. Not really.
So nicely lit in this place, I think. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's one of the brighter
What's up
ones.
there?
I don't know. Probably where the employees work. Player services this
Oh,
way.
there's an electronic one.
What?
Didn't somebody want to know?
Oh yeah, they're already in town.
Electronic blackjack.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay. Is it just me or are these like really actually going fast?
Yeah, they're pretty fast.
There's Crew Rewards.
So that's their reward center, like player club.
She smiled at me. She saw me looking at her.
Yeah.
Yeah. A circle.
Ooh, ice froyo.
There's Becca.
Shops down here? What? I've
This
never
is
been up
Club Tower. I'm kind of a big deal.
there. Where?
That said it in that ad.
Oh, I was like, what?
But he had like a what people wear apron, and it said I'm kind of a big deal.
Like a chef or something?
But it was like a pickle.
Okay. That's funny.
I know.
So here's Oakville Steakhouse. It's pretty fancy.
Here's the fake slot.
Yeah. Oh, so they have little shops towards their convention center.
Yes.
Legends is here at the Tropicana. I want some Tropicana logo.
Some Tropicana merch. Go to our merch store.
And then this is their conference center area. So I wonder what that was downstairs. If that was another conference area?
Maybe. I don't know. Those
There's
charges.
a wedding chapel over here.
There's also FedEx. Man, they got everything. I like how you. Ooh, what's that? So this is their pool.
Oh.
This was their pool. We gotta find a way out there. Okay.
Oh, the pool's over there. I bet that was.
Okay, so we're gonna go there. Okay, we got this. We got this. We are on the hunt. There's also glow.
Look at that. It's cool, right?
Yeah.
I like it.
There's the smoking area by the FedEx.
Oh, wait, what about this side? Oh, that's just a smoking area. You just said that, huh?
Yep.
Sorry.
Holy crap, that's a lot of cigarettes.
That is a lot of cigarettes. Well, people in conferences, when they come out, they all stand around together.
Oh, please do not enter this area.
There's no wedding. Oh, wait, maybe there is. There's a guy right there. Oh, here's all the restaurants.
Yeah.
A brunch buffet.
Southwest Beach.
South Beach, of course, Starbucks.
Robert Irvine's. So this is all the places you can go.
We are here.
I want to be there.
The beach club entrance.
Oh.
Sorry. I don't know how long it is.
I don't know either. The Laugh Factory. I don't even need one of those.
Oh no, make me laugh.
Okay, knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Knock knock.
It's not funny, it's just say orange, you got to see me.
Knock knock.
No, I'm done.
Knock knock.
You're not funny.
It is funny. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana.
Aren't you glad I didn't say orange?
That's so stupid.
I'm funny.
Oh, wow, we got a lot of those. Holy crap, that's a big pool.
Ow.
Alright, we're walking back through, back to the truck.
Okay guys. So if you can find this poster right here,
Take a picture.
take a picture with it.
And post it on our Facebook page.
Ooh, steakhouse.
It was already $8.50.
It's $8.50? It is. Nobody knows about this one. Yeah.
That's all your Vegas merch.
Yep.
Alright.
We gotta go to here.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Here's the digital blackjack people been looking for. It's really loud in here, guys. I'm gonna talk a little louder.
I bet you can't hear me, Mom.
Ooh, college favorite Starbucks.
Yeah, not really. Look at her eye. She's a lazy eye.
It's like a weekend. Fresh mix. This place is closed. Oh, the buffet's closed.
Wah wah.
7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Holy crap, it's cold here.
Yes, it is. Holy crap, I wonder how many people slip on this.
Yeah, right? It's lit.
Okay, guys. So,
We're inside the Tropicana.
we're walking.
We're walking on a path to the pool. Is it this way or that way? Where are they going?
I don't know, they're weird. We're going this way.
Oh, look, so their rooms have balconies right here.
Wow.
Some of their rooms, those are probably the main rooms.
What does this say?
It's cold.
Please use main pool entrance.
Which is this way. Yeah, is it locked over there? Aw, we went to see the pool.
Well, guys.
There's a fountain. Oh, it's so cold right now. So unfortunately the pool is closed and locked. So this is what you get.
Yep. So guys,
Waterfall.
this video gets a lot of likes, maybe 1 million or 2. Yeah, we'll go for 2
What did you say?
and jump in the waterfall. Only for you guys.
You're gonna jump in the waterfall.
Yep, 2 million likes. So like, in 10 years, I have to jump into the waterfall. Imagine if I slipped and I hit my shin.
That hurts. It's cool.
I know somewhere out there, my
Here's their buffet area.
Mom,
Yeah.
I know somewhere out there, my soulmate is pushing on a pool door.
Aww. It looks tiny in here for a
Yep.
buffet. Alright, here we go. So this, it's busy because of the basketball tournament. That's what it is. Like, why are there so many people? Alright, we're gonna look at minimums. $15 pie gow minimum.
check in, apparently.
There's a lot of people here checking in. Hold on, because it's March Madness, tell me who you put in your final 4 picks, alright? Everyone put in the comments who you selected to go to the final 4 if you watch college basketball. Alright, registration desk, bell desk, Hill Daughters. Colin's rolling his eyes at me. I have 2 brackets. I have Michigan State one in one of mine.
We're going in the Paradise Tower.
What?
Because the elevators look cool. It is?
Or a bar. Yeah. It's a nice little fancy bar up in there.
And shout and let it all out.
Fancy.
Smells pretty good.
Oh, I want a Pepsi. Do you want a Pepsi?
Yeah, for $3.
Is that how much they are?
Let's see.
$2.50? Okay, I don't. Do you want one?
No.
I have no clue where I'm at, so.
You're alright. You got the Tropicana.
Yeah.
That helpful? No.
Yeah, got it.
So these people must be waiting for
Chippendales. No, I don't know. Purple Rain.
oh yeah, the Legend Store. You're right. Blackjack $10. Blackjack 15.
There's our limits.
25. Ooh, high limits. High limits.
There now.
Bottles are like $6.
You know somebody's made one into a bong at one point.
Alright, let's go do strawberry. I just love how brightly lit it is here.
Wayne's World.
Black World. We're gonna find the sports book.
We already did, right?
No, that was your bar. This is the registration desk again.
Yep, we're gonna go this way.
Oh, I should say it's Thursday night at 8, or now it's 9 o'clock. We're getting a late start tonight, y'all.
But I don't have school tomorrow, so ha.
Yeah.
There's Purple
This is sports book.
Rain.
That's
That's the sports book, guys.
it. Oh, there's Robert Irvine's restaurant.
Yep. I remember it had the weird belts.
Oh, that color. I feel like I should put some money on a game.
There's no Timberwolf, so no need.
Oh, by the way, when we were down on Fremont, I found Timberwolf. I only played $10, but
What'd you win?
nothing.
Yeah.
I stopped at 10.
Ha. This is the 4 corners of the real strip.
Yeah. So this is Tropicana and Las Vegas Boulevard right here.
The
So
only part that's not connected is right here.
yeah. So you have Excalibur across the street, New York, and MGM right beside it.
Yeah. One thing, they have the same exact wall at Excalibur, and it is so much dirtier.
All right. What do we need left?
I don't know.
Oh, is that the sports book right there?
Yeah, that's legit the sports book.
Oh yeah, that's the sports book, guys.
Sports book. It's pretty cool.
Is one in. Alright, we're gonna do one more quick circle. Just circle around the main floor.
I'm looking for Timberwolf.
I'm looking for Timberwolf. We're looking for any slot machine jump. Monster Mermaid. That's creepy looking. I don't think they have Timberwolf here, but there's so many people walking through that way.
Dance.
More table games. Well, this is just the same strip of table games, you guys.
Dancing.
our Uber pickup
Stay,
is?
bro. Yeah.
Straight out the front doors. Oh yeah, there's our taxi and everything is.
It's all I need.
And we got the registration.
Yep.
And that's all we got. It's just one little circle. Let's walk through the middle of Slot World one last time. All these slots, everyone. Say a call. Slot World.
Slot World. Slot World. My lips were like stuck together.
Yeah, it's not like it says Slot World.
Slot World.
That was fun. Easy money. Dad won some money on one of those games like that. Fast money, I think it is.
Sorry.
Alright, and then that's the loop of
Almost ran into Bill Nye. There's not as much smoke as most casinos.
Yeah. Air control in here.
Oh, it's Howling Wolf. And then Wolf Run. So guys, that is the end of the video. We're going down some stairs. I don't want to fall. Kinda did there. Peace out, Vegas.
We love you.
Hey, it was Greg.
Hey, sweet guy.
Cool.
I wonder if they have cookies in there. I bet they do.
Hey guys, hope you liked the video. If you didn't, oh well. We tried our best. Please subscribe and have a fun night.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video of the Tropicana. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.
Your freaking arm went straight in the way.
Peekaboo. I don't know what you're going to say.
Intro.
Oh.